Hello and welcome to COP4708 Applied Database 1. With the current amount of data that's being collected, analyzed, and used, there is a need for a tool to manage such a huge amount of data. There is a need to understand how to create database, how to manage database, and how to manipulate databases to get the information you need. This course will start with the basics and fundamentals of databases and end with the ability to create your own database. My name is Professor Youssef. I will be your instructor for this course. Please feel free to contact me via email or face-to-face or through virtual office hours using Skype or through phone. Please take the time to view, read, and understand all of the provided material, where 99% of your questions are addressed in the syllabus, and if not, you will see other documents that will be uploaded to the online learning system that will assist you in knowing the requirements for the course and what's needed and other information that will assist you. If you need any help with the add and drop process within this week, you can visit daytonastate.edu/help and they will provide you with the information you need. My office hours are posted under the announcements tab and through the syllabus. For easy access to the course material, I created a link within the welcome announcement. Just keep on looking on the announcement. Make sure to update yourself with whatever been posted, and to start you click on the link that I gave you under the welcome, and that will take you to the course material under modules. There will be no textbook for this course, but you can use database processing either 12 or 13 edition as a reference, and there are other books that will be available either in the library here at Daytona State College or in the public library to assist you in database processing or database manipulation. The course is online, so all course material will be available for you through the online learning system. Your homepage will display the different courses where you can click on your course of interest to access course information. I suggest that you navigate through the different tabs to get yourself familiar with the course organization. In addition, I would suggest that you log in at least once every day to stay current with course requirements and changes. Again, remember that we post announcements, we make changes, and you need to stay current with those changes. To view the course material, navigate through the different tabs on the course homepage under Falcon Online. You will see that all course material, including assignments, discussions, quizzes, presentations, lectures, and supplemental material, have been posted under the course content tab through different modules. The modules will be released on a weekly basis as the semester progresses, and that's not to confuse you, so you will have it in a sequence. You need to access your online courses on a daily basis and check for the latest updates and due dates. The due dates will be on the right hand side when you log into your course. Check those due dates and make sure that you do every and each one of them, these activities. Don't forget to finish your icebreaker for this week, and that will be due at the end of the week. It will be graded out of 10. Failing to complete the icebreaker could lead to purging you from the course. I will monitor and see who's active in the course. If you were not active, you're not participating, you will be purged out of the course. All students are required to complete a weekly discussion form, which should be posted by Sunday of each week. Make every attempt to post your initial response by the middle of the module week. The weekly discussion is to answer the questions posted and reply to at least one of your classmates' posts before the end of the submission period. You need to answer the same questions every week and after reviewing the course material. There is no need for a Word document for assessment. I'll just post it in the discussion area. All communication should be through online channels such as email messages, discussions, and all Skype. Email messages should be written in professional way or professional words. Any chat or text languages will not be accepted. So I don't need to, or I should not see LOL in your email messages or other languages or other chat languages. Students are encouraged to communicate through face-to-face or phone channels during office hours. The more you come to the office, the more you ask questions, the better understanding you have. Since we are not meeting face-to-face, sometimes coming to my office face-to-face will be a good replacement for the face-to-face classroom time. Assignment submission should be through Falcon Online. Do not email me any assignment unless you've been asked to do that. Late assignments will not be accepted. To submit your assignment, you need to use certain format, which is the format that I'm showing you here. If you are submitting a regular assignment, you put the assignment number underscore course number underscore your last name. If you are submitting a project assignment, then the project assignment number underscore the course number and underscore your last name. You need to write, when you submit an assignment, at least on the first page, you need to write your full name so I know that this paper or this report is being submitted by you. So you need to put your full name and email address at the first page of the assignment and telling me which assignment are you submitting. Sometimes I download these assignments. If it doesn't have those the name, whether the format of the file or inside the file, the paper will, or the report will get lost between other papers or other reports, and I will not know who submitted that assignment. The assignment should be submitted in Microsoft Word format. So if there are any other software packages that you are using, you might take snapshot for these assignments, and I will give you that in the instructions, and then paste it inside Microsoft Word. PDF will be allowed but not preferred. The group project will be divided into 3 group project assignments that should be submitted over the progress of the course. Although students are encouraged to collaborate outside the classroom to discuss the course project, however, all project assignments must be completed and written individually. Sharing codes or posting codes in the discussion area will not be allowed. The project report should be submitted in a professional way with the proper grammar and correct spelling, and we have resources in the college to assist you in the writing process. The project guidelines and instructions will be posted under Course Content tab at Falcon Online. There will be 2 exams through the whole semester, midterm and a final. Both exams will have 50 questions, true, false, and multiple choice questions with 2 points each. The final will include all chapters within the course material. The grading, as you can see here with the weekly participation discussion, you have 6%, and 6% can make a difference. It can take you a letter grade up or down. So make sure to participate in the course, look at the material that's been posted, and finish the assignments. If no discussion was submitted and I can see the assignments were not submitted either, then that will affect your grade. So make sure to submit all coursework required to be successful in the course. The goal of this course is to prepare all students for database systems. Whether you know database, you heard about database, or this is your first time, it will assist you in knowing about the database, the foundation of that, and it will provide you in-depth understanding of the theory behind that, how to operate and apply modern databases. The objectives is to let students understand the fundamental concepts of database management and then develop a data model and translate that model into a database design. So instead of jumping into the code, actually you will understand how to tackle any problem. When you go outside, work in the real life, you need to understand the database before starting the coding process. Then you will learn, after you model it, design it, then you start the coding using SQL code. So you will be able to represent the database using that code, and you will be able to manipulate the code into a database management system. The last chapters will actually address the redesign of existing data and the multi-user, how we can set it up or configure it in a way that we will have multi-user editing and using the database without any overlap. And those are the topics that will be covered within that text. So we start with the basics, then we go to the relational model, understand what it means, and then we model the database, transfer that model into a design, start the coding using the structured query language, and then start understanding how to manipulate and manage database using that database management system. Our example of database management system will be Oracle. We will use that for the manipulation and management of a database. And again, we will talk about the redesign and managing the multi-user database and database security. One of the software packages that can assist you in designing and modeling will be Microsoft Visio. Using Microsoft Visio is not a must. It's one of the options, but actually you can use any online or any other software package that will be free for you to create a database model or a database design, and we'll talk about that when it comes to that chapter. Also, we need Oracle as a database management system, and I chose to download Oracle 11G Express Edition from Oracle database or Oracle website. Don't worry about that right now. You can use this link later on to download and install. I have the installation process for you step by step, so you don't have to worry about it right now. Wait until we get to that point, and then we can download and install that software. That will be all for this session. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. You can contact me through any of the available channels for you. Thank you and have a great day.